Make too much. You shouldn't have squirted. She finna get him. That little water gun gonna run out soon. I'm gonna help her. And then he's not playing with that.
Hey, tell them chips they can show them.
You tell him. I'm going crazy.
Well, we wrapping up. Trying to get some more. Wait for ID.
It's almost 2 o'clock though. She gotta go get her kids.